I'm waiting for you to say something. Anything that approaches an apology.
An apology? I was taken hostage by Jack Randall. You're trying to say that's somehow my fault?
Well, it is your fault. Had you stayed put where I ordered you to stay, none of this would have happened. But no. No, you won't listen to me. Why am I me? I'm no but your husband. You take it into your mind to do as you damn please, and next I kind of find you flat on your back with your skirts up. A worst scum of a lamb between your legs about to take you before my very eyes.
I begged you to take me with you. Now, I told you there was no danger in me going along. Would you listen to me? No. No, I'm only a woman. No, why should you pay any attention to what I have to say? The women are only fit to do as they're told and obey orders.
If you'd done that, we won't be on the run now with 100 redcoats in our tail. Try that again and I'll slap you until your ears split.
Brute and a fool! Do you think I went and got captured by the English on purpose?
Aye, I do think you did it on purpose. To get back at me for what happened to the Glade.
At the Glade? With the British deserters? You think, to punish you, I went for a walk in the woods on the chance that some British soldiers would be going by? Christ, Jamie, I went for a walk.
I ordered you to stay put.
I don't have to do what you tell me to.
You do. You are my wife.
Your wife? Oh, you think I'm your property, don't you? You think I belong to you and you can't stand for someone to have something else that belongs to you.
You do belong to me and you are my wife, whether you like it or not.
Well, I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. That doesn't matter to you either, does it? And as long as I'm there to warm your bed, you don't care what I think or how I feel. That's all a wife is to you. Something to stick your cock into whenever you feel the urge. Let go of me, you